What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy Rashawn back at it again with Lux by Iron Rye. This is our first YouTube video. I got something special for y'all. Today we're going to be unboxing the Lance Lot L1800 DTF printer. We're partnering with them for this video, so special shout out to them. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and like, subscribe, follow to the channel. But without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start this unboxing video, so appreciate you for tuning in. Some of the things that we got with this printer, first off, our printer parts. Set those over here. Came with an extra box, not really sure what's in here yet. We got our oven that we're just gonna set to the side for right now because we're gonna go ahead and start with the printer. We got some of these cool little transfer film. DTF ink. Some white powder. And last but not least, we have the printer. So let's get it. Paper roller. This is gonna be our front tray. This is gonna be our back paper feeder. And this is gonna be what holds the paper roll. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna unscrew these 4 screws right here. So you can put this piece in. And it should fit on there like that. What's up, everybody? So we back at it. You already saw it was super easy, the installation process. 4 easy steps. All we had to do was put on the back roller tray, put on the back feed tray, put on the roller, and put on the front piece right here. So now we're about to power the printer on and see if it actually works. So let's hop on into it. Before you forget, please make sure you remove all of your tape. I almost forgot. But you gotta remember to remove all your tape before you do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and go and remove all my tape from the inside so I don't damage this print head. There we go, and I'm just gonna examine in there. Mine had this little black piece of tape. That's it. All right, y'all, as you can see, printer looks like it's working fine. Now I'm gonna dive into the computer software stuff. So I'm gonna shoot you over to my computer so y'all can kind of see what that kind of looks like. All right, everybody, now that we're back from the computer, we're back with the machine. Now we got everything on there. We got our software. We got our driver set up. Now we are actually filling our inks now. So I went ahead and turned off my printer, and now I'm just gonna fill up my inks. Just come over to the side. You slide this part out just like you slid this part in. You slide it out, set this to the side, and now we're just coming in and I'm just filling up my inks. I just pulled it to the side, and now I'm just gonna funnel it in there somehow. All right, everybody, we're back at it. Now that we got the machine put all together, we got the software installed on the computer, we got the ink put into the machine, we've shown you how to extract the ink and get that into your dampers. Now the last thing that we had to do was do our print head clean, which we've done. Now what we got to do is we got to do our nozzle check to make sure that everything's printed out properly. So this is the last step to the installation video. Appreciate you for watching. So let's go ahead and get to this nozzle check. And as you can see, well, you can't really see, but I'm gonna put my hand up under so you can kind of see a little bit of the color. But as you can see, we got all our colors there. We got our white there, and our nozzle check went good. So looks like we're good to go. Now we're gonna get to printing.
MK.